The story of a kind turtle.
Once upon a time, in a big, green forest, there lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was a kind and friendly turtle, but he was also very slow. He had lots of animal friends who were much faster than him. There was Benny the rabbit, Sally the squirrel, and Danny the deer. One sunny day, Timmy saw his friends playing a game of tag. They were running and jumping and having so much fun. Timmy wanted to join in, but he knew he couldn't run as fast as they could. He felt sad and left out. Timmy went to his wise old friend, Grandpa Turtle, and said, "Grandpa, I want to play with my friends, but I'm so slow. I wish I could be faster like them." Grandpa Turtle smiled and said, "Timmy, you might not be the fastest, but you have a kind heart. Kindness is more important than speed. Let me tell you a story." Grandpa Turtle told Timmy about a race that happened in the forest many years ago. Benny the rabbit, Sally the squirrel, and Danny the deer were in a race. They were running so fast, they didn't notice a little mouse named Mia who had fallen down and hurt her tiny paw. But Timmy, who was slow, saw Mia and stopped to help her. He bandaged her paw with a leaf and made sure she was safe. Only then did Timmy continue the race. In the end, Benny, Sally, and Danny finished the race quickly, but they didn't feel good about themselves because they didn't help their friend in need. Timmy may not have won the race, but he won the hearts of all the animals in the forest for being so kind. Timmy understood the moral of the story. He realized that being kind was more important than being fast. From that day on, Timmy continued to be the kind and friendly turtle that he was, and he felt happy in his heart. So, kids, the moral of the story is, kindness is more important than speed. Being a good friend and helping others is what truly matters. Timmy, the kind little turtle, taught us that being slow is okay as long as you are kind and helpful to those around you. And they all lived happily ever after in the big, green forest, where kindness and friendship were cherished above all else.